In the context of the information management process, open BIM models are requested by clients and provided by their suppliers. But what if a client fails to specify what the model shall contain? Or what if suppliers don't understand what the client wants? The results are a BIM model that doesn't serve its purpose, a long and tedious validation process, and often contractual problems that rise out of it. To help solving all these problems, we created a platform called Regola. Regola is a web-based platform that allows users or clients to specify their information requirements and to share them with their suppliers. The suppliers can check their IFC models against the specification provided by the client, and the same can do clients when they receive the models. The ultimate goal is to provide clear visibility over a specification plus a validation capability available to both parties. This will allow to produce high-quality BIM models. How does this work? You can create your own specification by adding and tailoring rules from a catalog. These rules are expressed in natural language and are enriched with explanations and examples so that the client has full control over them. Once created, the specification can be printed, inserted as an annex in contracts, or simply shared with suppliers through Regola. In this way, suppliers can clearly understand what they are required to deliver, and then they can create the IFC model, upload it in Regola, and validate it against the specification. The same can do the client. The result is a report that clearly states and identifies the level of compliance of the BIM model, the rules that are not satisfied, and the elements of the model that need to be adjusted. With Regola, you get useful BIM models in a short amount of time. Now, let's look at the platform itself. As soon as you sign in on the platform, you will be redirected to the homepage, which presents some shortcuts. A shortcut to the Getting Started pack that helps users to test some files, a shortcut to the Rules catalog, to the Specify section, and the Validate section. The Rules catalog contains all the rules that are present in Regola that can be filtered by name, description, code, category, or IFC version. Each rule has a code, a description, a title, and some details. Rules can be selected and used to create a specification in the My Specifications tab, where you can either create a specification from scratch or use one of the templates. Whenever somebody shares the specification with you, you can save it in the Shared with Me tab. And all these specifications can be used to validate BIM models. The validation happens through the My Validations tab, where you can select a specification, select an IFC model, and validate the model through the Validate button. Of course, keep in mind that to process the validation, you need to have uploaded the IFC file and also the dataset files that goes with the rules inside the specification. And you can do that through the My Files tab. This ends the overview of the platform. Should you have any question, please feel free to contact us at info@regola.io. And for any news, please keep in touch with us through our LinkedIn page.